So in previous class what we have discussed means in bisection method. So in shortcut I will explain it. In previous class what we have discussed means in bisection method one equation will be given and that equation will be in the form of f of x is equal to 0. ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೋರ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. It will be given in question. So for this what we have to do means we calculate roots. We calculate roots of this particular function. Now root is nothing but calculation of x value. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದೇನು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೇಮ್ in bisection method what we do means first we consider two values, that is a and b. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ಟೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಹೌ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ. ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎ ಆರ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಫಾರ್ ಬಿ ಆರ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. So how we have to consider this a and b means for f of a it should be a negative, for f of a it should be negative and for f of b it should be a positive value because root lies between positive and negative value. So yen roots calculate ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ that roots lies between positive and negative value. Then once we get this a and b value, easily we can calculate the first approximation. Now how to calculate this first approximation means first approximation we denote using x1. First approximation ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ x1 ದಿಂದ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. And to calculate this x1 we have to consider this a and b, one positive and one negative value we have to consider, that is a plus b divided by 2. ಇದೇನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 2 ದಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಯೋರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಷನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ x1. ಸೊ ಒನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ x1 ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ x1. x1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ x1. ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಅ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ x2 and so on the process continues. Up to where we have to continue this process means in question it will be mentioned, means for 2 decimal or for 3 decimal you need to calculate the value. Now what is this 2 decimal, 3 decimal? Suppose if I am getting answer as 2.345 and next 2.325, then next if I am getting 2.327, then next if I am getting 2.327, you can observe here 3 decimals are same. Then see ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಫ್ಯೂ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್, ಅದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಫ್ ಯುವರ್ decimal values at least for 2 digit or at least for 3 decimal values you are getting the same answer, then these will be your required answer. So till we get minimum 2 to 3 decimal values as similar, we have to continue the process. Concept is very simple but just we need here patience because ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ continuous calculation. See here just I have explained x1 approximation means first approximation, then x2 second approximation, but example ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತಂದರೆ till 10th approximation, 12th approximation or it may be a 15th approximation. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಇದೇ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಪ್ ಟು 10 or more than 10 approximation. So let us start the example. You can observe here. First, what is the question? Find the root of the following equations by the bisection method. In question, using which particular method we have to calculate the answer ಅದನ್ನ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. Because we have so many methods, regular falsi method, Newton-Raphson method, so many methods we have here. So in question, obviously using which particular method we have to find its root, it will be mentioned. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿನೇ ನೀವು ರೂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ find the root of the following equation by the bisection method correct to 3 decimal places. This is very important. Correct to 2 decimal places or 3 decimal places or 4 decimal places. This is very important. So here correct to 3 decimal places means till we get 3 decimal places similar, we have to continue the answer. See, here one number is there, point, then after that 3 decimal places. Till we get 3 decimal places continuously similar, till then we have to calculate the answer. So what is the given equation? X cube minus 4x minus 9 which is equal to 0. So given question is x cube minus 4x minus 9 is equal to 0. First what we have to do? ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ವಿಚ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ಲೈ, ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಗಿವನ್, ದೆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ x cube minus 4x minus 9 is equal to 0. Now we have to write as f of x is equal to x cube minus 4x minus 9. See, very simple. First step correct ಆಗಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, find the roots of x cube minus 4x minus 9 is equal to 0. ಇದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಸೊ ಅದೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ. ಆಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 4x minus 9. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ minus 4x minus 9. Then next, in previous class we have discussed that suppose f of x is equal to 0 is the given function. In first step we have to find a and b value. So what is this a and b value? For a, f of a should be negative. For b, f of b should be a positive value. Okay, so question ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬರೆದು ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಎ ಬಿ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್? ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 0. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, 0ದಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಸ್ 0, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್. Replace x value as 1, calculate. Replace x value as 2, then calculate. Similarly 3, 4, 5, 6. ಈ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದರೆ within 4 to 5 steps will get one positive and one negative value. So you can observe here. f of x is equal to x cube minus 4x minus 9. First a and b value we are calculating. For that ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಸ್ 0. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ತೆಗೆದು 0 ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಸ್ 0 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 0 raised to 3 means 0. 4 into 0 is 0. Minus 9 as it is. So answer is minus 9. Minus 9 is a negative number and negative numbers are less than 0. So negative value 0 ಕಿಂತ less than ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So always negative values are less than 0. So what we got here? For 0 we are getting a negative value. So this you can mention in any one number line. See, we are calculating First we substituted 0. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ 0 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. For 0 what we are getting? We are getting a negative value. Next we have to calculate here remaining numbers till we get a positive value. For 0 negative ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಈಗ next positive ಯಾವಾಗ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? Let us verify. After 0 next number is 1. So replace x value using 1. So x ತೆಗೆದು 1 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ರಿಗ. Replace x using 1. So here it is x cube. Now 1 cube minus 4 into x. Here minus 4 into 1 minus 9 as it is. Simplification easy ಅನಿಸಿದ್ರೆ own calculate ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, or else you can use the calculator. See, for numerical you have to use scientific calculator. So numerical concept bantappa antandre you have to use this scientific calculator. Okay, so what we have got here? 1 cube minus 4 minus 9. This one is simple one. So 1 cube is 1, 4 into 1 is 4, then minus 9, minus 9 minus 4 is minus 13, minus 13 plus 1 is minus 12. So here minus 12, again negative sign, therefore less than 0. So what we are getting here? When we are replacing x value as 1, then also we are getting a negative value. When we are replacing x value as 1, then also we are getting a negative value. For 0 we have negative value, for 1 we have negative value. So we need here positive value. For that, further go for next number. See, 0 we have substituted, 1 we have substituted. Now next value is 2. For 2, see, replace x as 2. So here it is 2 cube minus 4 as it is. Replace x using 2 minus 9 as it is. Now 2 raised to 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. Multiply to 3 times, that is 8, minus 4 into 2 is 8 minus 9. So plus 8 minus 8 will get cancelled. What is remaining? Minus 9. So here answer is minus 9, which is less than 0, because again it is a negative. So we can observe here, when we are replacing x value as 2, then also we are getting negative value. For 0 negative, for 1 negative, for 2 negative. Still we didn't get any positive value. So go for next number. So ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋದಿರುತ್ತೆ. So next, after 0, 1, 2, we have 3. So now in this function, replace x value using 3. 3 raised to 3 minus 4 into 3 minus 9. 3 raised to 3 means multiply 3 times. 3 into 3 into 3, that is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Next, minus as it is. 4 into 3, 12, minus 9. Simplify this one. 27 minus 12 minus 9. Simplify, will get 6, which is a positive value. Positive value means it is greater than 0. So what we can observe here, when we are replacing x value using 3, we are getting a positive value. You can observe minus, minus, minus and then plus. And what we know, always the root lies between one negative and one positive value. It means for this example, our answer will be within 2 and 3. ಇದೇನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಲ್ಲ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಂದರೆ 2 ಮತ್ತು 3 ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಂದರೆ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದ ರೂಟ್ ಲೈಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 2 and 3. Very simple it is. F of x is equal to, write it as it is. Replace x as 0, 1, 2 and 3. For 0 it is negative, for 1 negative, for 2 negative, but for 3 it is positive. So for 2 it is negative, for 3 it is positive. So here 2 is our A value and 3 is our B value, because for this 2 we are getting negative, For this 3 we are getting positive. So root lies between one positive and one negative value. Therefore after finding a and b value we have to write here one particular sentence. ಈಗ one sentence ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಿ, that is therefore the root lies between 2 and 3. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 2ಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದಿದೆ, 3ಗೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಫಾರ್ 2 ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ 3 ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ our root lies between 2 and 3. This is the first step. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಥರ್ಡ್, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್. Okay, once we get here a and b value, then we have to start calculating approximations. First approximation, second approximation. See, in the second step in study madidivi, once we get a and b value, the first approximation x1 is a plus b divided by 2. Now in this example a value is 2, b value is 3. Therefore first approximation x1 is 2 plus 3 divided by 2. You can observe here x1 is 2 plus 3 divided by 2. So 3 plus 2 is what? 5. 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. So here x1 value is 2.5. ಈಗ x1 ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಿರುತ್ತೆ? ದಿಸ್ x1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಗೈನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. So here our first approximation is, what is our first approximation? 2.5. Replace this 2.5 in the given function. Then here it is 2.5 raised to 3 minus 4 into 2.5 minus 9. Wherever x is there, replace it using 2.5. In ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Already I have told, using scientific calculator you can calculate here. What we have? 2.5 raised to 3. Then see, first calculate here 2.5 raised to 3. You can observe here we have x cube symbol. Illenagide x cube symbol ide. So 2.5 raised to 3. Next what is there? Minus 4 into 4. This into we write in a bracket. Therefore here we have two bracket symbol. So just use this one. In bracket 2.5, complete the bracket, minus 9, which is equal to minus 3.375. So what we are getting here? Minus 3.375. See, ಅದೇನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇದೆನಾ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದೆನಾ, ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆರ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ whether we are getting a positive number or a negative number, that is very important one. So here we have got minus 3.375, which is negative, therefore less than 0. I hope first approximation ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಎ ಬಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 2 ಇದೆ, ಬಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 3 ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಷನ್ x1, ಆ್ಯಡ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು 2 plus 3 divided by 2, solve, 2.5 will get. ಇದೇನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ 2.5, ಇದನ್ನ ಗಿವನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್? ಗಿವನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನಿದೆ? f of x is equal to x cube minus 4x minus 9. Replace x using 2.5, solve it, then we'll get the answer. And this answer is what? Minus 3.375, which is less than 0. Okay. Now, what we can observe here? From this, what we can observe means, when it is 2, we got negative function. When it is 3, we got positive function. Now our answer is what? 2.5. So obviously 2.5 is between 2 and 3. So somewhere here it is. So for 2.5, what is the function answer? It is in negative. So here we are getting negative. Next, to calculate second approximation, which two number we have to consider now? ಈಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಟೂ ನಂಬರ್ಸನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. Initially we were having 2 and 3. So one negative and one positive value. So we added and we divided. Now we have got 2.5 which is negative. To calculate next second approximation, we have to consider one negative and one positive value. So next root is between these two. Next calculation ಗೆ ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. That is 2.5 and 3. So consider x1 answer and also 3, because for 3 we are getting positive value. So x1 plus 3 divided by 2. What is x1? x1 is 2.5. Therefore 2.5 plus 3 divided by 2. If we add, we'll get here 5.5. So 5.5 divided by 2 is 2.75. So x2 is 2.75. For 2.75, what is the function value? So the function value ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, that we need to calculate. So f of 2.75. See, function is this one. Now x value we are replacing as 2.75. What is there? X cube. Therefore 2.75 cube minus 4 into x. Here it is 2.75 minus 9. Now again using scientific calculator we can simplify here. So what we have? 2.75 value we are calculating. So 2.75 raised to 3. 2.75 raised to 3 minus 4 into 2.75, complete the bracket, minus 9, which is equal to 0.7968. At least any 4 decimal values you have to consider. So 79687. 7 is more than 5. It is more than 5. Then for previous number we add plus 1. So this is approximation value. So this is 0.7969. Here we are getting positive value. So for 2.75 answer is in positive. ಈಗ 2.75 ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ? 2.75 is more than 2.5 and less than 3. Means somewhere here. 2.75 is somewhere here. Now 2.75. For 2.75 we are getting a positive value. So this is what? Positive. So here our third approximation is between what? Positive positive ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, negative negative ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So third approximation lies between this particular negative and this particular positive value, that is 2.5 and 2.75. Now we need to add these two and divide by 2. Therefore to calculate third approximation, x1 plus x2 divided by 2, that is 2.5 plus 2.75 divided by 2. Divide this one, you will get 2.625. Now this is what x3 value. So ಇದು x3 value ಇದೆ. For x3 value again we have to calculate its function answer. ಮತ್ತೆ x3 ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? f of 2.625 substitute in the given equation, that is 2.625 raised to 3 minus 4 into 2.625 minus 9. So again we can calculate here, that is 2.625 raised to 3. 2.625 raised to 3 minus 4 into 2.625, complete the bracket, minus 9. So for this, what will get the answer? We get the answer minus 1.4121. So answer is minus 1.4121. See, still we have decimal values. Complete baribekantilla, minimum 4. After decimal point, minimum 4 digit you can consider. So here minus 1.4121, which is less than 0. So here x3 value is 2.625. So 2.6 is between 2.5 and 2.7. Obviously 2.6 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2.5 ಮತ್ತೆ 2.7 between ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ somewhere here 2.625. For this, what we are getting? We are getting a negative value. So for this, we are getting a negative value. Next, our fourth approximation is between this negative and this positive value, that is 2.625 and 2.75. So we are closer to the answer. Again ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, almost we are near to the answer. So 2.625 and 2.75. To calculate fourth approximation, now consider x4, that is 2.75 plus 2.625 divided by 2 will get 2.6875. Same. x4 answer ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? After calculation of x4, again substitute this answer in the function. Function ಏನಿದೆ? x cube minus 4x minus 9. Replace x value using 2.6875. That is 2.6875 raised to 3 minus 4 into 2.6875 minus 9. So after simplification, we'll get here minus 0.339. Again negative number less than 0. ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ you can observe x1 answer is 2.5, x2 answer is 2.75. No decimal values are similar. Next go for third one. x3 answer is 2.6. 7 ಇದೆ 6 ಇದೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ x4 ಏನಿದೆ 2.68. You can observe at least one decimal value we are getting same. So question ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Minimum 3 decimal values we should get same. So here you can observe in x3 it is 2.6, in x4 it is 2.6. Means at least one decimal point we are getting similar, means we are near to the answer. ಈಗ one decimal point same ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ we are very close to the answer. Same concept we have to repeat now. Okay. Here it is negative. So this x4 is giving us a negative value. Then along with negative, one positive we have to consider. ಈಗ positive ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಇದು negative ಇದೆ, negative ಇದೆ. Consider ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ. Negative and then positive. So we have a positive value for 2.75. So our x5 is 2.75 plus 2.6875. Add, divide by 2 will get 2.7187. So here you can observe x5 is 2.7187. Replace this in the function, that is f of 2.7187, which is equal to 2.7187 raised to 3 minus 4 into 2.7187 minus 9. Solve it using scientific calculator. Simplify, will get 0.22, which is greater than 0. Now greater than 0 positive and here it is negative. For next approximation, positive for this one, negative for this one. It means to calculate sixth approximation, add these two value and divide by 2. So add here 2.6875 and 2.7187. add it and divide by 2, will get 2.7031. Now you can observe, in third approximation it was 2.6. In fourth approximation it was 2.68. Now next in fifth approximation this is 2.7 and here it is 2.7. ಮತ್ತೆ change ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, so 2.7. So the constant first decimal is 7 here. So ಈಗ constant first decimal ಏನು ಸಿಗ್ತಿದೆ 7. 2.7, 2.7. Next, still we get remaining two more decimal values similar, we have to continue the process. So x6 means that is the sixth approximation. Now let's calculate x7. To calculate x7, which two values we have to consider? ಈಗ x7 calculate ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ which two values we can consider? For x6 it is negative, for x5 it is positive. So add 2.7187 and 2.7031. So add x5 and x6 and then divide by 2. Add x5, x6, divide by 2. That is 2.7187 plus 2.7031. Divide by 2, you will get 2.7. Again 2.709. Substitute this value in the given function, that is f of 2.709, that is 2.709 raised to 3 minus 4 into 2.709 minus 9. Solve it, you will get 0.0444, which is a positive value. ಇದೇನಾಗಿದೆ ಈಗ positive value ಇದೆ. You can observe answer ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2.709. You can just observe here 2.709 is our answer. And previous answers were 2.703. You can note it down somewhere. So what we got x1, x1 ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, x1 is 2.5, x2 is 2.75, x3 is 2.625, x4 is 2.6875 and x5. x5 value is 2.7187 and x6 value is 2.7031. So x6 is 2.7031. After this x6 we have calculated x7. ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ next ಏನು calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು x7. So here x7 value is 2.709. x7 value is 2.709. You can observe first one decimal is similar, then after x6 and x7 two decimal points are same. Answer ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿದೆ, 3 decimal same ಆಗಬೇಕು. Till we get 3 decimal values same, we have to calculate. So almost we are near to the answer. 2.70, 2.70. So go for x8. x8 is one positive and one negative value we have to consider. So based on that, it is 2.7031 plus 2.709 divided by 2. Solve it, will get 2.707. After calculation, again substitute in the function, that is f of 2.707 is equal to 2.707 raised to 3 minus 4, 2.707 minus 9. Solve this one, will get 0.00848, which is a positive value. So for x8 we are getting a positive value. So here x8 is 2.707. Two decimal are same, but the third one is different. So go for x9. because ಇನ್ನೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ third decimal same ಇಲ್ಲ, so ಅದಕ್ಕೆ we have to go for the next one, that is x9. So x9 is based on one positive and one negative value. So x6 plus x8 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So x6 is 2.7031 plus 2.7070 divided by 2 will get 2.7050. So illu ಏನು ಬಂತೀಗ 2.7050. Again third decimal is not same. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಇದೆ, here it is 5. So third decimal again it is not same. Therefore substitute this one in the given function. F of 2.7050 is equal to 2.7050 raised to 3 minus 4 into 2.7050 minus 9. After simplification, we'll get here minus of 0.0274, which is negative. Negative andre less than 0. Go for x8, x10. x10 is 2.707 plus 2.7050 divided by 2. Solve it, will get 2.706. You can observe here third decimal is 5, here it is 6. Iga almost near idivi. So substitute in the function, solve it, will get minus of 0.0094, which is less than 0. So here again we have to proceed for next one, that is x11. x11 means this is negative, one negative value is there, so consider x10. Negative admele next we have to get here positive, so here is the positive value which is for 2.707. So consider x10 and x8, that is 2.707 plus 2.7060. Divide it by 2 will get 2.7065. You can observe now in x10 3 decimal values are 706 and here 3 decimal values are 706. So obviously 3 decimal same ಆಗಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, x10 ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ, similarly in x11 3 decimal are same, that is 2.706. remaining ಏನಿದೆ that doesn't matter. At least we should get here 3 decimal values similar, that is 2.706. If we get 3 decimal values as same, then further simplification is not required. We have to stop here only. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. See x10, you can observe our x9 value was 2.7050, then x10 is 2.7, x11 is 2.7065. 2 decimal same, 2 decimal same, 2 decimal same. After that third decimal, even in x10 and x11 total 3 decimal values are same. So next if you calculate, you will get these 3 values as constant only. Okay, you will get these 3 decimal values as same, that is 2.706, and remaining terms will get changed here. So at least 3 decimal values we got same. So we have to stop here and we should consider this one as our answer. Therefore the required x value is 2.706. Once we get minimum 3 decimal values as same, then we have to consider that answer as the final one, that is x is equal to 2.706. No need to mention the further decimal values, only the similar 3 decimal iste, only 3 similar decimal values we have to consider. So here x is equal to 2.706 is the real root of the given equation. So this is